If you are a beginner, learning how to make a WordPress website should not be intimidating whatsoever. So we created this guide to take you from a blank page to a live website without a headache. So to run a WordPress website, you're gonna need a hosting provider that supports all the latest technical specs, but is also really easy to set up and maintain. And that is exactly where Hostinger's Managed WordPress plans come in. Hostinger has created a whole business-in-a-box setup that lets you focus on your brand rather than the server configurations. So you can check out our hosting plans at the link in the description down below, and don't forget to use the coupon code WP10 for 10% off any of our Managed WordPress hosting plans. Okay, so now that you have your hosting plan, let's get started with actually building your website. So first thing you're gonna wanna do is in hPanel, navigate over to the websites menu, then click on Add Website right here and select WordPress from the dropdown. Okay, so there are actually two options to create your WordPress website, but whichever one you choose, the first few steps are always gonna be the same. So you'll need to create a WordPress login, choose a domain, and select your target audience. So guys, let's start by creating your WordPress login. Now, you will always have access to your dashboard through Hostinger's hPanel, but you do need to create a dedicated login on WordPress, so really make sure to choose an email and a password that are memorable and secure. Now, you will need to choose your domain. So first thing you're gonna wanna do is just start by typing the name you want, as I'm doing right now. And our domain tool will just check for the availability in real time. And if you've already purchased a domain with Hostinger, it will appear in the dropdown right over here. But if you can't really decide on a name, or if you're planning on migrating another domain, just go ahead and continue with a temporary domain. And also remember that when you purchase any hosting plan for 1 year or more, you get your domain free for the first year. All right, and now you're ready to start building your website. So you can either build it with AI or build it manually using templates or themes. Now there's pros and cons to each method, and if you're a beginner, you might want to try creating with AI, since you just have to describe the website you want and Hostinger takes care of the rest basically. But that does mean that you're losing out on that customization. And building with templates or themes is way more hands-on, but it can be a little bit intimidating if you're just starting out and you're not super familiar with WordPress. And I will quickly go over both methods so you can see them in action right away and pick the one that suits you best. So let's start out by going over how you can make your website with AI first, but if you already really know that you want to build this yourself or from a template, you can just skip to this part of the video right here and you can get straight to that process. So when building with AI, you can get your WordPress website started with just a few single prompts. So just tell it your brand name, the type of website you're going to create as well, a description of what you want to make, and select just right here how you're going to edit your website. And you can choose between Elementor, which is a super easy drag and drop editor, or the native block editor. Now, if you're already familiar with editing on WordPress or you've used a Gutenberg editor before, I would strongly recommend going with the block editor version, but if not, Elementor might be more your speed. So once you're all ready and happy with everything you've written down, just hit create and just give it a minute. And basically, you'll see a preview of your new WordPress site. And you can either click right here, create again, if you want to reprompt the AI if you're not 100% happy with your site, or you can click here and edit your site. And yeah, you can always manually edit your site. It's really honestly straightforward despite which method you take. But yeah, once you're happy with it, you can just continue. So basically, for anyone looking for a little bit more control over the setup, don't worry, because you can still create your WordPress website from a template or a theme, and the process is just as easy, so don't worry about that. And you might be wondering what the difference is between a template and a theme. So a template template is basically a ready-to-go website that you can customize really quickly to fit your brands and your brand's needs, while a theme is more of an open-ended collection of files that control the overall feel of your website, but without adding any content into it. So with WordPress, you can really dial up how much actual control you want over every little part of your website. So if you want a guide that goes even deeper into editing and customization, make sure to check out this video right over here. But now let's go over how to create your website if you're going to be using a template or a theme, basically. So when you've chosen your template or theme, hit next and select the WordPress theme that you want to just get started with. And here you'll see some plugins, and plugins are just apps that can be installed on your WordPress site. So each plugin lets you add a new feature to your website, like forms, SEO tools, or social media buttons. And as you can see, Hostinger already has some basic plugins pre-selected for you, but you can add as many or as few as you like here. You don't have any limitations, but I really recommend adding the Hostinger Reach plugin so you can get your website connected also to email marketing right from the start. That can be very, very useful. So when you're ready here and you've got all your plugins aligned, you can just hit create and just wait a few moments while Hostinger installs your WordPress site. And now that your site is actually created, it's time to fill it up with content. So at the top of your WordPress dashboard in the Hostinger menu, you'll find our AI content creator. So it can really help you generate posts, pages, and even some floating elements that are already optimized for SEO, which is actually really important. And honestly, Hostinger's tools for WordPress go way beyond just creating content for your website, because you can also just connect your WordPress site to Reach, for example, which, as I said before, is our email marketing tool, and turn on LLM optimization so your content can be discovered by AI. Plus, if you're on a business plan, you have the added option of managing your site and creating content just by chatting with our AI assistant, Cody. But if you're not committed to the business plan, it's still all good. You can still ask Cody for help, and the chat will answer any of your questions with answers from our FAQ and our support pages as well, which can be very, very helpful in certain situations also. So, I mean, building a website used to be like a month-long project, but with the right tools, you can be up and running in just a single afternoon. So if you're ready to get started, click the top link in the description down below to check out our WordPress hosting plans. And if this guide helped you out and helped you learn how to make a WordPress website, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Hostinger Academy for more useful tips. So good luck with your site, and I will see you in the next one.